In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language of your Shopify store. Whether you're expanding your business to reach a broader audience or simply prefer to operate in a different language, making this change in Shopify is straightforward and simple. Let's walk through it together. To get started, you'll want to be on the Shopify homepage. If you're not already there, go ahead and open up your web browser, sign into your Shopify account, and navigate to the homepage. This is where the magic begins. Once you're on the Shopify homepage, your next step is to click on Settings. You'll find this in the lower left corner of your dashboard. Clicking on Settings opens up a menu filled with options that allow you to customize various aspects of your store. For today's task, our focus is on the language settings. Next, look for the Languages option and click on it. This will take you to the page where all the language settings are housed. Here you can see the languages that are currently available for your store, including the default language, which is initially set based on your store's country of origin. Now you should see a three-dot icon next to your default language. Click on this three-dot icon to reveal more options. This is an essential part of the interface that allows you to make deeper customizations to the language settings of your store. After clicking the three dots, you'll see an option labeled Change Default. Click on this to proceed to the next step. This action will bring up a list of all the supported languages that you can set as the new default for your store. From the list that appears, select the language that you prefer for your store. It's important that you choose the language that is best suited for your target audience or the most comfortable for you to manage. Once you've made your selection, go ahead and click Save to implement this change. Lastly, to ensure everything is updated and saved correctly, click Save one more time. This final confirmation is crucial as it locks in your new language settings, ensuring that your Shopify store's interface reflects the chosen language. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully changed the language of your Shopify store. This change not only helps in personalizing your store, but also significantly improves the customer experience by communicating in the language that is most comfortable for your audience. Keep in mind that translating your product descriptions and other content might also be necessary to fully optimize your store's new language setting. Thanks for watching, and happy selling.